Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a tree of life / what would it be baby shower decor that you're gonna love. Here we go. Today's project inspiration comes from two sources. One from a subscriber who actually just recently asked me to give her inspiration for a what would it be theme, which is like bumblebees. And I really liked the idea, and then I ran across a picture of a balloon tree. I don't know if it's gonna make sense, but I will show you the picture. A balloon tree, so it was basically a tree trunk and balloons all over, and it was beautiful. So I thought about combining both, and here's what I came up with. Let's get started. All right guys, so here is the picture of what I'm trying to accomplish. It's a big undertaking, but I think I can do it, and I'm going to start with that, okay? But it's going to be bumblebee theme, and I'm very excited about it. The tree's trunk is going to consist of 4 plywood pieces. They're each 1 foot in width and 5 feet in height. And I'm going to place these 2 together first, and then these 2, and then I'm going to make them into 1. And to place them together, I am going to use hinges. They are narrow utility hinges, and they have 1-inch screws, okay? That I'm going to just use a small screwdriver to place them on. The hinges came with 1-inch screws, but I'm going to use 1/2-inch screws instead because they are obviously smaller, and this is pretty thin. I'm going to switch to my drill because ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, so here is one. It's not perfect, but the point of it is just to keep them together. Now I'm going to flip it upside down so I can do the other end. Okay, so there is my trunk. I wish I had the guts to shape it a little with the jigsaw, but I'm not there yet, guys, because I'm afraid I'm gonna mess it up. So I think I'm just gonna leave it alone and practice first. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start painting. I'm also going to be painting the base where the trunk is going to stand on. And I'm going to also paint 4 brackets that's going to secure the trunk to the base, and they're all also going to be in white. So my husband convinced me to make a little shape on each panel, so I'm gonna try. Okay, so my husband drew these curves on here with a pencil to give it a bit of a shape. And he has more of a steady hand. I don't know how, because he drinks coffee like a madman. But he is better at this. I'm gonna let him do this one, and I'm going to try with the other one because I really don't want to mess this up. And we are going to use the jigsaw. And you should do this prior to painting, obviously.
Look at you, you're a professional.
Yeah, baby.
I got curves like a woman.
I sure does. And there's my tree trunk. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the vase. I'm going to be using these brackets to hold the trunks together, to hold it in place. Only going to place the screws right on here and not on top, because I want to be able to, you know, take these pieces out and be able to fold them and put them away. Get a second one and place it right on here as well, so you have one at the back and the front. If you're wondering why I switched the screw from being on top to the bottom, it's because the screw are 1/2 inch and that's the shortest I could find. And this piece of plywood is only about 1/4 inch. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit of hot glue on top so I can cover that. But you can also get a thicker piece of wood. Now I'm going to use ceiling wire to make the branches. This is how it looked like when you go get it at Home Depot. It's $19.99 for 50, I believe. And alone, it looks like this, okay? It's very light. And what I'm going to do is drill holes right here on top, and then I'm going to place the wire through it. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so I ended up having 4 of the wires in the front panel and 2 in the back on each end. Next, I'm going to be using foam board to make branches to cover some of the wire, especially the taller ones. The foam board is not going to go all the way up. I'm just going to use it maybe 1/4 or halfway up to just make everything look a little bit more polished. You know, the balloons are gonna cover the rest of the wires, so that's no biggie, okay? Let's do it. So I ended up cutting 6 pieces of the foam board. They're about 1.5 feet tall. I dig 2 holes of each end of the foam with a little screwdriver, and now I'm going to bring the wire from the back through these 2 holes. That will work. Everything else will be covered by the balloons. To decorate the tree, I'm going to be using yellow, white, and black 12-inch and 17-inch balloons, and it's going to look amazing. So what I'm going to do is make 2 pairs of black and yellow. It doesn't matter of the combination. Well, all you're gonna do is add 1 white, okay? I'm just going to add 1 white to one of these 2. And then I'm going to add it to this one. So basically, you're going to be making a bunch of these balloon bouquets. In order to place the balloons as you see on the branches, all you're gonna do is dig a hole through any of the endings of the balloons and just put it through the wire, and that's it. Then you can wrap it around to make it tighter, or it might just be tight the way it is. so I added a few 17-inch balloons. They are the bigger ones. There's one black one back there. I may add some more, but for now I'm going to leave it as is. Next, I am going to be adding some bumblebees and a beehive. This is from Amazon. I will have this in the description box below for you guys to buy if you want it. This is actually a pet toy, a toy for dogs. And it comes with these bumblebees here, okay? So this comes together. And then I bought some more besides that. I bought 2 packs of these so I can hang in between balloons, okay? I decided to add the balloon garland last minute. I wasn't going to add them because I didn't have the proper balloons, but I just made it work with regular 5-inch balloons, and I tied, you know, the 2 that could be tied together, and I just glue the top one with, you know, low temperature hot glue gun, okay? All right, so I'm just gonna hang them around, and it's going to be pretty. All right, guys, this is it. This is my what would it be gender reveal / tree of life baby shower decor. Oh my gosh, guys, this is beautiful. I hope it translates in video how wonderful and beautiful this is in person. As you can see, I added question mark stickers that you guys can add and then pop to reveal the gender of the baby. And if you guys are going to use it as a baby shower decor, you guys can change it to pink, blue, or gender neutral colors, and it's going to look absolutely beautiful. This is a showstopper for sure. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends and family members, because you know sharing is caring, and you can save someone $1 or $2. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys, until next time, bye.
We gotta get it going first. Get it, no, get it going.
Oh my gosh, wait!
This one goes on top.
I'm scared.
That palm goes on top. Get it going first.
Okay. Ay, coño.
Wait.
Espérate, no, ay, Dios mío.
Walk with it. Walk. Don't force it.
Oh, that was easy.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
As long as you keep pressure on it.
Oh my gosh.
You can't. Don't force the blade forward.
Okay.
Just let it cut, and you feel it cut, and you just go with it.
Man, what a rush. I love it.
Wow. Huh?
I'm glad you changed my mind about making the curves because
Because then you just have a block.
yeah, it would be more boxy. All right. See, you say I don't listen to you.